Welcome back to the Unreal Magic Workshop. My name is Jonas Jost. I'm a professional magician and illusionist, and I'm now going to show you how to make a coin disappear. Let me just go get one. Here we go, hang on. Yeah, that's perfect. Whoa! Hey! I'll be quick. Yes, got it. My henchmen are a little bit crazy when they have too much caffeine in the mornings. Okay, now, I'm also going to need a pen. Oh, yep, a pen, please. That would be great. No, a pen. You know, a righty thingy, a pen? So, a pen. Pen. No, pen's right. They don't cut. A pen. Yes, thank you. Oh man, oh, sorry. Okay, this is going to be our magic wand for the episode, and we're going to make this coin vanish. So check it out. Here we go. Very simple yet amazing trick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Coin gone. And then all we do is we bring it back from the lid of the pen like that. Magic. Stick around for the explanation. My henchman and I are going to show you exactly how this trick works. Welcome back. This is the explanation on making a coin vanish using a magic wand, in which case we use a pen. So, the pen's gone again. Can I get the pen? Hello? Sorry, hang on. I need the pen. Ow! Ah! Ouch! Thanks. You gotta be careful, it's a Sharpie. Right, very simple trick, check it out. The coin goes in my left hand. You can use your right hand, doesn't matter, but I like to use my left because I'm going to catch the coin with my right hand. I'm holding the pen right here as the magic wand, and now I'm going to go 1, 2, and on the third time, I throw the coin back into my right hand, catch it, and pretend like it's vanished over here. It does look pretty cool when you've practiced it a few times and you do it nice and quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Coin's gone. Make sure you practice this in front of the mirror several times. It will look better and better the more you practice. Now to bring it back, take the lid off the pen like this. The coin is still in your right hand, hidden. And just pretend to throw the coin out of the lid like that to reproduce it. And that is how you make a coin vanish and reappear just using a pen. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you for a whole lot more magic tricks. My magical henchmen and I have a lot more planned.